وإن طائفتان من المؤمنين اقتتلوا فأصلحوا بينهما فإن بغت إحداهما على الأخرى فقاتلوا التي تبغي حتى تفيء إلى أمر الله فإن فاءت فأصلحوا بينهما بالعدل وأقسطوا إن الله يحب المقسطين إنما المؤمنون إخوة فأصلحوا بين أخويكم واتقوا الله لعلكم ترحمون يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا يسخر قوم من قوم عسى أن يكونوا خيرا منهم ولا نساء من نساء عسى أن يكن خيرا منهن ولا تلمزوا أنفسكم ولا تنابزوا بالألقاب بئس الاسم الفسوق بعد الإيمان ومن لم يتب فأولئك هم الظالمون يا أيها الذين آمنوا اجتنبوا كثيرا من الظن إن بعض الظن إثم ولا تجسسوا ولا يغتب بعضكم بعضا أيحب أحدكم أن يأكل لحم أخيه ميتا فكرهتموه واتقوا الله إن الله تواب رحيم.
When a glass breaks, the sound of breaking disappears in mere moments, but the glass pieces are scattered all over, hurting whoever walks over it. Similarly, when you say something that hurts someone's emotions and feelings, your words disappear, but the pain in the heart remains for a long time. Therefore, before uttering any statement, remember the 9 advices and prohibitions that Allah Ta'ala has given in Surah Hujurat. Number 1. Fatabayyanu. Investigate. Whenever you receive an information, ensure it is accurate for fear that you harm people out of ignorance. Number 2. Fa'aslihu. Reconciliation. Reconcile between one's fellow Muslims as believers are brothers, sisters to one another. Number 3. Wa'aqsitu. Act justly. Whenever there is a dispute and one is attempting reconciliation, act justly among both parties as Allah loves those who are just. Number 4. La yaskhar. Don't mock people. Perhaps they may be better than you in the eyes of Allah. Number 5. Wala talmizu. Don't insult one another. Number 6. Wala tanabazu. Don't call each other with offensive nicknames. Number 7. Ijtanibu kathiran min adh-dhann. Avoid negative assumptions. Indeed, some of the assumptions are sins. Number 8. Wala tajassasu. Don't spy on each other. Number 9. Wala yaghtab ba'dukum ba'da. Don't backbite about each other. It is a sin equivalent to eating your dead brother's flesh. May Allah protect us all from suspicion, curiosity, and backbiting, and help us to avoid all moral evils and protect our tongues. Ameen.
Jazakallahu khairan. For more information,
please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also follow us on our other social media platforms.